In a modern and advanced building, characterized by large green spaces and an appropriate location in Erbil City, Dayko Educational Compound, in its third year of activity, has been able to gain the confidence of citizens because of the distinguished deeds of the two departments in kindergarten and elementary in the fields of academic, talent, discipline, responsibility, and social services. Studying in English with a reliable educational program from the Ministry of Education teaches many extra English books to develop the students' English language while also giving full attention to Kurdish language too. DEC demonstrates the ability and talent of students through physical education, art, and music, especially art. Students are able to enjoy their time while drawing pictures inside of this beautiful art room. Students are able to take their science lessons in this huge and beautiful science lab while also doing different scientific experiments. Kindergarten department, education and training of students using all modern educational means by expert and skilled staff. The main section uses state-of-art with educational methods. Students are served 2 meals during school hours, which is breakfast and lunch, while also providing transportation for all the students to all alleys in Erbil City. DEC is proud to announce the early registration for the academic year of 2022 to 2023 for a limited number of students for kindergarten and elementary level.